This is the knob. Can be used to adjust pump speed or other parameters. This is the left and right toggling switch of the pump, and can be used as start-stop control. 2. This is the internal control and external control switching toggle of the pump. In order to facilitate the observation of the running direction of the motor, we turn on the pump head. Turn the toggle switch to the right. The pump head runs clockwise. Pull it to stop, the LED flashes. Pull it to the left. The pump runs counterclockwise. When the pump is working, the LED does not flash. We can use this knob to adjust the speed of the pump. The resolution below 100 RPM is 0.1 RPM and above 100 RPM is 1 RPM. Adjust the knob quickly. The change of the speed gets faster. Reduce adjustment speed. The change of the speed becomes smaller. Pull it to the middle, the pump stops. The LED flashes again.